Why does DaVinci Resolve not render subtitles? You might have faced this problem like me. I last time created my timeline using subtitles and I wanted to export our video. I couldn't export actually. Then I solved this problem, dear friend. This class is very important. Listen till the end. Today I will solve this problem in this video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. So we come here, we will search the problem why the DaVinci Resolve doesn't render subtitles. So we see here, I have one video here. I will just drag to our timeline here directly. Here. So this is the video which I recorded in my OBS studio here. In today's lesson, we will learn about how to use subtitles. It is our from subtitle class. You go to playlist and you can see. So today, for example, I want to create subtitle from this. First, we have to come here, timeline here. You see here timeline, and here you see create subtitles from audio. Okay, create language. From my last class, you know, you can change your language. It will be translated from English to Japanese, Italian, Russian, but I will use it auto English. This okay, caption preset default, I will use default, and line single, everything is okay. Zero, we will not touch this default, and create. This is not long video, it will create very fast. So it has already initialized and analyzing the video to create subtitle here. So you see here we have subtitle here now. Now, dear friend, this is Rakesh here. In today's lesson, we will learn about how to use subtitles, creating subtitles using our video in timeline inside DaVinci Resolve. So you see here, so we have a subtitle here. Here subtitle. No, I want to actually export here. We come to this tab here, export here, and now I write my project name, subtitle class, and you can browse here. You know, we come here to browse in our F drive. Okay, we have no browse our location where actually we want to save our file here. Everything is okay. Okay, we will not touch this is a 4K video, and we will come here. Actually, you see, when you export this, you can't export because we have no subtitles. Once I just export here. Now we are exporting our video. So we have already done work on subtitling. So we see, is there subtitle available in our video? Render all. So see, we have rendered because this file is not so big, and we come to our file here in F drive here. In F drive, we have file here in software media edited. So because we have used subtitle, you see here. Now we are playing here our video. You see, we have no video in timeline. We have no all the settings about you see, we have no subtitle here. Actually, we have added subtitle and exported video in DaVinci Resolve, but we don't have subtitles here. So this problem, we come to DaVinci Resolve here directly. Here you have to actually change the setting here. You come here, you see, come down here, subtitles, click here, you see, expand this arrow. Once you click here, expand this arrow, export subtitle, you have to click here, and you have to change format here. You see, we have, you can export as separate file, but I don't need, I want inside video our subtitles. We come here, there are some setting as embedded caption. It will be embedded caption inside video, but this is the we must use burn into video. We just click burn into video. Now once you click here, format burn into video here, you see, now burn into video, it will be, our subtitle will be here. So we come here to our three, here you see three dots here. You just click here, three dot, and you have to save as new preset. So now I save is burn in preset. So next time when we forget we subtitles, next time when we will export, we couldn't forget, we may not forget this. That's why we save this preset. Okay, now you see here preset, this preset will be always here, and you don't need to every time come here and change the setting from here, because you can forget, and you can export without subtitle. Like me, I was facing the same problem. So you see, no, actually we have, now we have inserted our subtitle here in export. So you have to come here, change the settings here, and here you will come, and here three doors, you know, from here you can save the preset, and you can delete When you want clear preset, it will be deleted from here. But I need this no here, and now we actually export this. We change subtitle class 113. I say, change the name, and now add to render queue. Now render all. Now we render all and see the file is not big, it will render very fast. No, see, actually, no, it's rendering our, you see subtitles here. No, it's rendering. You see, you can see our subtitles here, which I am speaking the text language. It is being changed into text here. We are about to export now. We have already exported file, rendered now. We come to our file here, location, F drive. We have here software media, edited. We come here, we rename the file here. You see subtitle class triple time 3 1 triple time 1. We just click here. Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh. You see, no, in today's lesson we will learn. You see here, no, we have subtitle here no appearing. So in next time you can't mistake, you see all settings, and don't forget to subscribe the channels, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you, and share this channel to those friends who are in actually in the need of such type of tutorials. We have lots of playlist nowadays. I'm working hard on what DaVinci Resolve tutorial, dear friend. So motivate me and favor me on YouTube. Give me one subscription, thumbs up, like, share, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Now play this video here. How to use subtitles, creating subtitles using our video in timeline inside DaVinci Resolve. Creating subtitles is a very important to make a very impressive video, and in DaVinci Resolve, if you have is to